So now come to silicon impression material. Silicon impression material, that is condensation silicon, based on cross-linking polycondensation reaction of hydroxy-terminated polysilane polymers with the tetra ASL oxysilane catalyzed by dibutylene dilaurate (DBTD). Right. This is a polycondensation cross-linking. Alcohol release contribute to contraction and shrinkage of the impression. Right. So composition, it is again supplied as two component system, base paste, catalyst paste. Same. Base hydroxy terminated polysiloxane polymer, filler cristobalite, talc, starch, and calcium carbonate. Catalyst consists of cross-linking agent, that is tetraethoxysilane TEOS activator dibutyl tin dilaurate DBTB, which I've already told you, DBTB. Just remember this. Paste catalyst cross-linking agent, activator, inertol, and filler. Now the advantage of C-silicon, accurate impression when poured soon. Right. Good elastic recovery with very low price. Hydrophobic, this one disadvantage, shrinkage of impression over time, pour time till 4 hours, catalyst may cause allergic reaction. Difficult to dispense proper volume of both components, usually only hand mixed version. We already used it many times. Now come to A-silicon, which is the most common material nowadays using in every clinic, everywhere, right? A-silicon, addition silicon, vinyl siloxane, polyvinyl siloxane, and this is the most common impression material from where you will get question. Impression material for duplicating material, a relining material, bite registration material, root canal serial. Setting reaction based on cross-linking reaction, polyaddition of vinyl terminated polysiloxane polymer. Just remember this, vinyl terminated siloxane polymer with methyl hydrogen silicon cross-linking agent in the presence of platinum catalyst. Right. Composition supplied as two component system, 1:1 base paste, catalyst paste. Vinyl terminated polysiloxane polymer, right? Catalyst filler, surfactant. Catalyst contain vinyl terminated polysiloxane polymer, cross-linking agent, filler, silicone oil to adjust viscosity. It has advantage of accurate impression, very low shrinkage, very good surface detail, high elastic, perfect elastic recovery, dimensional stability, non-toxic and non-irritant. That's why it is most commonly used nowadays. Disadvantage, it is hydrophilic again due to surfactant addition. Setting inhibits by latex gloves or some astringent like materials. Hydrogen release, surface bubbles, pour time 1 hour after removal of the mouth. It is of high price. Now, what is the difference between C-silicon and A-silicon? You can remember A-silicon and C-silicon. How we will take impression, like in case of C-silicon, there is only two paste system. We have to mix it with the hand and just take the impression. Again, you have to mix one of the heavy body with the catalyst. Basically, three paste systems are there. Two paste for heavy body and one heavy body with the catalyst, one light body with the catalyst. So catalyst, same catalyst used for heavy body and light body. First, we will mix with the hand heavy body and the catalyst, then take the impression. If it is two-stage impression, then if we'll take in two-stage, two-step, and in the second step we have to mix the light body with the catalyst, right? Then again we have to take the impression by you can see it very well in the YouTube, right? In case of heavy body, in case of silicon, first we have to take the putty impression. Then putty impression is a hard body impression. Then by placing the spacer, or sometimes we have to make the space with the BP blade. Then there is a gun from where auto mixing gun is there. When we press the trigger, then there is a mixing in the tip, and we can directly place it in the mouth and impression material. So there are very less chances of bubbles are there over there. You can again see the video in the YouTube, A silicon and C silicon, right? Then come to polyether impression material. Based on cross-linking of polyether chain, why cationic polymerization of aziridine ring used a aromatic sulfonate ester as a indicator, right? Propagation, linear polymerization is there, then cross-linking. Composition again supplied as two-phase system, base phase polyether, filler plasticizer, catalyst sulfonic acid ester, inert oil, and filler. Now come to disadvantage first. Rather stiff when set, difficult to remove from the mouth. Very expensive, may cause allergy reaction due to sulfonic acid ester, right? Toxicity in the polyether, polysulfide, lead oxide, and in polyether it is due to sulfonic acid, right? Advantage: naturally hydrophilic, accurate and highly dimensional, stable, good elastic recovery, low setting conduction, excellent surface related production, right? You can remember this chart.